Hi, welcome to this tutorial on report builders. Now, in previous tutorials we've looked at report filters, profiles, etc. and setting of those filters. However, once you've set your filters, you want to see that report built in a certain fashion. Now, typically one would look at, having done that, just generating a report. Now, the report builder here is in a format that we cannot change at this stage. So we generate and it displays it to us in a certain format. However, looking at the other option on the right hand side, we can see set filters again as may be required. And if we now generate and we build that report based on those filters, we can have various options. Let's look at them quickly. A list report will list those items. If we went back to the show filters and chose the second option, item report, let's move across to this screen just to show the differences. Right, so there we have a list report. Let's do an item report on this side. Okay, show the filters. Come back and we'll choose date range of all and item report. Right, so now we're on the same report, we're just using different display or report builder formats. List report, item report. Let's move, and in this particular one we'll take the detailed report. And in this particular case, let's say give us a financial report. So now we can see we've examined 4 different display options that are available. And it's important when working with reports to know that you have these various options available to you. Right, so now we've seen the report builder options going from no option, just a generate button, to listing a report item, detailed and financial. But in addition to those report builder options, there are an additional set of filters that we can use to build the report and get it displayed in a format that we like. Let's have a look at that quickly. Let's go to a report here. Extras. Get this one down to the same one, and we'll choose the extras custom in this particular case. Now on the left hand side we can see the standard usual filters and just a generate report. If we go over to the right hand side, the extras report custom option, we can now see the same filters, but in addition to that we have a report builder option here. So based on the filters that we've set, we can say fine, I want to see that information along the following lines, and we would then select areas to build our report out of. So now we can see on the right here that we've actually built this report according to our preferences by selecting the items to appear in the report and moving it across. And also we can stack these in different orders and make a sort order of a particular one, and we could then fine, let's just generate that report now based on the report builder that we have put together. Just set a date range. There we go. So now we've built a report according to our preferences. A date range, sorting from earliest to latest, reservations, etc. Not all of the reports in the system have the capability as indicated on the right, but it is important that you know how to work with those report builders and filters, and practice will make perfect One also needs to apply a certain amount of logic in the thought process of what you are requiring to be displayed. Remember, if you want to change the way that report has been built, simply click on Show Filters again, and now you can go down and amend additions or remove or change a sequence of the display of that report. The financial analysis report in the system comes with probably the most complex filters and report builder options in ResRequest. It's recommended that you take the process slowly and build your report progressively. Take little bits at a time of data that you need, and once you've come to grips with that and the options available for displaying that, add on to that report builder as you go. We hope you found this short tutorial on report builders useful, and we'd also recommend that you view the other tutorials on reports as well.